pocket. In his tin cup I did drop it, and I heard him saying as I turned to leave, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. May an elephant caress you with his toes. May a wife be plagued with runners in her hose. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. $100 bill among my clothes. When he called, I came a-running, gave him back his dime for phoning, and I heard him saying as I turned to go, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. May an elephant caress you with his toes. May a wife be plagued with runners in her hose. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. I was way behind one day to catch a train. The taxi driver said, we'll make it just the same. A speed cop made it with us, and as he wrote out the ticket, I stood by politely waiting for my change. May the bird of